It is Thursday morning. It's a late one last night doing some renos, but I'm off to the shop right away. Just some new floors late last night. I got these sleepies. Got a pretty easy life. The other one is tucked in there. I have no idea what everyone in the shop got up to last night, but the mood is high. I'm gonna go check it out. Mitchell just went outside and came back in and said everybody's dancing, so can't miss that. Okay, it's confirmed. The boys were dancing. They're working hard, dancing hard. Absolutely love it. All right, I'm currently venturing through Rio. Look at that archway. Oh my God. Okay, so paint is done. Christian just did the last coat, which I actually forgot about, so hopefully I don't paint on my arms. If you didn't know, cream is in. And this bus is creamed out. Extra touches going in this thing will be a nice medium stained brown. Wardrobes, cabinets, things like that are this unreal striped ash pattern. You guys should see that probably in, I'm gonna estimate a week and a half, cabinets are in. Okay, I can't breathe anymore. I'm getting out of here. All right, Geeman has been working on this roof, smooth as ever, and looks incredible. So this was just clear pine with a clear coat. That's it. Wow. Now that that's done, he is moving on to the interior walls that we frame out. We use this 3/4 inch roof to secure to, our top plate anyway.
I'm done on the roof for now. I mean, I can do the solar stuff out here, but I'll come in here. It's going right here, right?
I was hoping to come see some crazy stuff, but right now we got a good huddle going on.
Everything's broken.
There's a lot of fixing going on. We got tools down all over the place. Shaping up to be a real expensive week. Inside the Beluga, looks like Guy's been absolutely rocking. So this is a pantry right here. So this is on the kitchen side, kind of a built-in pantry, I guess. We go up the stairs, we're in the hallway, and bathroom walls. Couple hours of work today, and Guy has these walls banged out. So vanity is going right here. This is going to be the shower. This is the laundry, nice window. Laundry unit here, and that's obviously the toilet. Okay, that was all the projects the guys are working on today. I think I missed Cole. What are you building right now?
I'm building a ladder for the back of the Beluga.
He's building for that bus a nice ladder. It's about all I have actually. I want to say it's super exciting, but it's just a really good looking ladder. I think Guy's doing some repairs.
Yeah, see if we can make it work.
Are you saving me a supply run?
Might be.
Guy knows how much I hate my supply runs. Did you fix it?
We're gonna see. Ready for some staples. Two for two!
I don't think this thing ever has gone 2 for 2.
Oh my god, they're all good. Okay.
Okay, you guys saw what was going on in the builds. The boys are busy in the shop. Now Rouge and I are just working on a lot of behind the scenes right now. We've got 2 to 3 builds we're finalizing layouts for. Working on some spec models, working on securing financing, and getting ready to renovate our current shop. So hopefully this is my last cup of coffee. I think 3's enough for a day. Okay, now that's it for today. We'll see you guys next week.